Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact phone number with country code. This avoids false matches. Once done, secure consent if the search concerns someone else, because legal and ethical limits matter. Next, compile any additional identifiers you already have: name, email, or past message threads, since these narrow results. Start with the simplest route. Search the number in your phone's contacts and messaging apps, then run it in a web search to capture public listings and social profiles quickly. Now expand into platform searches and targeted tools. Use social network search bars and try variations of the number with and without formatting. Social apps often link numbers to profiles. Next, run reputable reverse phone lookup services and local business directories to reveal public registrations. These show why the number appears linked to a person or company. Also examine past group chats and shared media on your device for names or profile pictures, because internal evidence often gives the fastest confirmation. Wrap up by confirming identity carefully. Send a clear, polite message or place a call that verifies details without revealing sensitive data. Make sure to cross-check every match across at least 2 independent sources before you conclude who owns the number, because single listings can be wrong. If you get no reliable lead, try alternative strategies. Use a temporary number to test responses, adjust search spellings, or consult a professional if legal or safety concerns arise. One quick troubleshooting tip: clear cached results and retry searches to remove stale data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.